In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a coupon code in CodeCanyon. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. CodeCanyon, which is part of Envato Market, usually does not include a promo code box for most marketplace purchases. In many cases, discounts are offered through item sales, limited time promotions, or special marketplace events rather than traditional coupon codes. So if you're expecting to see a coupon field every time, that may not happen. Still, if a coupon code is available for your purchase, here's how to use it. Start by opening CodeCanyon in your browser. Once you're there, sign into your Envato account so you can manage your cart and continue to checkout without interruptions. After logging in, find the item you want to purchase and add it to your cart. Next, click Checkout to begin the payment process. On the checkout page, carefully look for a field labeled Promo Code or Discount Code. If that field is available, enter your coupon code exactly as it was provided. It's a good idea to double-check the spelling and formatting because even a small mistake can prevent the code from working properly. After entering the code, click Apply. Give the page a moment to update, then verify that the discount appears in your order summary. This is an important step because you want to make sure the reduced price is actually reflected before you move forward. Once you confirm the discount has been applied successfully, you can complete your payment and finish the purchase. Now, if you don't see a coupon box at checkout, don't worry. That usually means coupon codes are not being accepted for that item or transaction. In that case, the first thing to do is check whether the item is already discounted. Sometimes the sale price is applied automatically, so there's no need to enter anything manually. You should also look for author promotions directly on the item page. Some sellers highlight special offers there, and that can help you understand whether the current price already includes a discount. It's also worth watching for Envato seasonal sales, since those are often the main way discounts are offered across the marketplace. If no coupon field is available and the item already shows a lower price, simply complete the purchase using the listed sale price. And that's it. That's how to apply a coupon code in CodeCanyon and what to do if you don't see a coupon option during checkout.